Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make these delicious vegan lemon coconut balls. Starting off, you're going to want 1 cup of desiccated coconut, the juice of half a lemon, the zest of 1 whole lemon, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of agave, 1.5 cups in total of almond flour, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and the juice of 1 orange. Start off by adding in the entire wet mix into a mixing bowl and add in the lemon zest. Give it a good stir, get it all combined, then go in with the almond flour and the coconut. I'm giving that an initial stir, and I'm gradually going to keep adding in the almond flour till I've reached about 1.5 cups. This is not supposed to go dry, the texture will still be a bit smushy like that, but trust me, it's really good. Add in the agave, give it a taste, see if it's sweet enough. And roll them into little balls. Next, toss them in some desiccated coconut, and you're pretty much good to go.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, do me a massive favour, hit that subscribe button, it will take you 2 seconds.
And there you have it folks, absolutely delicious. Refrigerate these, they'll keep for about a week, unless you decide to demolish them all in one session. These are actually quite healthy if you think about it. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, like I say, don't forget, leave a like, leave a comment, and of course, please do subscribe. Love you all, ciao for now, see you on the next one.